Today we're going to take a look at this Nano Drone, the Rekon 3 long range 1 cell 3 inches. Now that 1 cell that we're going to be using is going to be the 18650 cell, the popular battery that lasts a long time, and it has a lot more capacity than the LiPo batteries. Now this will enable the drone to fly for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that will make the drone fly for farther distances, and that's why it's a long range. So it's kind of a hybrid between a tiny whoop with a 5 inches long range drone, which is really cool. Now right here I'm trying to bind the drone with my radio, and after that I start testing the drone. But I found out that I made a mistake with the propellers, because this drone uses a reverse direction of the propellers. So make sure to put the right propellers in the right motors according to the location in the drone. After placing the propellers correctly, I start doing the first flights. And then I go outside to start flying outdoors and see what's this drone capable of. And of course I'm using the Murata battery from Sony, and this is the one that is supposed to give the drone about 10 to 15 minutes flight time. This battery has 3000 mAh of capacity and can be discharged at 30 amps. It's really important that you plug the battery in the drone in the right orientation, since the drone is not protected from reverse polarity, so be careful. That's why they have placed that plus sign in the drone, so that you make sure to plug the battery in the right orientation. Here you can see some images from my goggles, and I'm flying in different places, like in the house, and then I'm going to fly in the mountains, and so on. And the flight characteristics of the drone are okay, but don't expect this drone to be a racing drone, because the battery is not going to provide the punch you need to do those racing maneuvers. So it's going to be a little bit of lag or sluggish when flying, but this drone is made to explore and endure the flight. So of course it responds very well, but if you are diving down really fast and then want to recover, it's going to be a slow recovery, so you can crash, so keep that in mind. But I really like it because I can fly very long distances with this very tiny drone, and I haven't tried that before because the batteries I was using were not capable of delivering that much flight time. In the description below you'll find a link to buy this drone. I hope to modify this drone in the future and turn it into a long-range RC microplane and see how it goes. For now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.